Hello researchers, let's study about how to read the paper quickly. Myself, Dr. V.K. Bairagi. In this presentation, we will study how to read the paper quickly. Very first, read the title of the paper. Try to interpret the title of the paper, what the paper is about. If you find that title of the paper is of your area of interest, then read the abstract of that paper. If you find the abstract is of your topic of interest, then directly read the conclusion of the paper. If you find that the research conclusion is of your topic of interest, then have a look on block diagram. See the various blocks in the block diagram. Try to understand the methodology. Try to interpret the flow of the research. If you find block diagram also useful, then have a look on working section of the paper. Then look at various tables and figures in that paper. Try to understand what new features or properties are discussed in that paper. If you find all these interesting, then read the rest of the paper starting with introduction section. So you can read the paper quickly. See that these are the important sections of the paper. So when you write the research paper, you should remember it that the title, abstract and conclusion carries most of the importance of the research paper. Here is the example. Read the title of the paper. An adaptive method for feature selection and extraction for classification of epileptic EEG signal in significant stages. After reading the title of the paper, try to interpret the title. In this case, the paper is related to the classification of epileptic EEG signal. The paper is also discussing on adaptive methods for feature selection and extraction useful for classification of epileptic EEG signal in different stages. If you find title is relevant to your area of interest, then read the abstract carefully. The abstract is having three main sections: introduction about the problem, the existing methods to solve the problem, the drawbacks or bottlenecks of existing methods, and then the objective of writing this paper. After reading the abstract, if you find that the paper is of your topic of interest, then directly read the conclusion. The aspiring researchers who are in the search of good topics should read the last part of conclusion section very carefully. In the last part of conclusion section, most of the time future research direction is given. So here in this case, read the last part of conclusion. Further, the system performance can be improved by selecting very precise features, advanced and most suitable classifier, and selection of high performance non-specific algorithm. Prediction of seizure well before the time is still challenging task. So aspiring researchers can work on feature selection part along with advanced classifier. So that's the first research direction. Secondly, if you read the last line carefully, then it's clear that prediction of seizures well before the time is still the challenging research task. Here I am having one more example of conclusion. That's the paper on ROI based DICOM image compression for telemedicine, published in one of the journal. In the last part of the conclusion section, it is clearly written about the future scope of the research. See that advanced version of the proposed method may include compression based on information content as well as compression based on ROI to be selected automatically. So that is the research direction for new researchers. Then after conclusion, have a look on block diagram. See how various blocks are arranged and connected together. Try to interpret the flow of the research. If you find the block diagram is of your interest of research, then have a look on figures and tables in the results section. Try to interpret it. Look at the parameters which are taken into consideration. If you find some interesting things, then you can read the introduction and rest of the paper. Thank you.